We're almost at the number 2 press.
Slow it down.
Watch the alignment right there.
Okay, clear, ready to cycle.
It takes a strong back and a keen eye to handle the raw steel of the Eldorado. The finish must be perfect.
The Eldorado Biarritz body now enters the heated curing corridor. Here, the primer coat stabilizes.
The Eldorado Biarritz takes shape as the brightwork is carefully installed by skilled hands, ensuring that flawless luxury finish. Here we see the Biarritz interior receiving its sound insulation, the mark of true luxury. Every hide is pulled taut and secured by craftsmen dedicated to perfection. On the chassis line, the Biarritz takes shape. The front suspension is guided into place with a specialized press fixture, ensuring a perfect fit.
Easy now, watch the rear mount.
Looks good here, hold it steady. Lower on your side, that's it.
All right, she's seated, looks good.
Behold, the pinnacle of American automotive excellence, the 1957 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz.
Lower away. Keep coming slow. Okay, hold it. That's good. Set it. Steady now, easy down. Alignment looks true up here. She's sitting level, all tight. Panel gaps look consistent here. Check the alignment on the rear trim.